Good morning, guys. I'm gonna head off for breakfast, but first I gotta drop off my bag of laundry. Let's get at it. Alright, just dropped off the laundry. Gotta lock up the villa. Alright, we're off. Yeah, I was here last night at sunset, walking along the whole walkway along the ocean, and I thought I'd come back here for breakfast because it was really nice, so let's check it out. Alright guys, we just made it to Brewshack, and look at the view. Yeah, I walked through here at sunset last night and really enjoyed it, so I said I want to come back here for breakfast. It's a good spot to work, and I mean, you're right on the ocean. It's a lot cooler too, that's a plus, because it's really hot back in town in Canggu, so it's really, I wanted to get somewhere cool as well. So yeah, this is definitely the spot for either breakfast or sunset. That's how you know you're living your best life right there. She's living her best life. That girl is definitely taking digital nomad life to the next level. She's got her headphones on. She seems like a little floaty for her laptop, so she can work right from the ocean. And eSIM from Totally Untethered, and she's all set. 5G cell service from the ocean, getting work done. Hey, why go to a digital nomad cafe or co-working space and you can just float in the ocean and work, you know what I mean?
Nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda ashuti kauda nganga. Aba washidaya mama ay nganga dai watishkinga. Nuane foda kudus nganga ay kauda ashuti kauda nganga. Aba washidaya mama ay nganga dai watishkinga.
You've been through, why you got scars. Since you walked through the door, I've been trying to reach you, 'cause I feel you. What's the story to tell? What's the story behind the mountain you're trying to climb? Think I've heard it before in a movie line. We can write our own ending this time. I wanna say no, spin me around and you make me
Guys, I've been here all day, literally for breakfast, lunch, and supper. But I've been watching surfers, I've been flying my drone. Just an amazing spot. You're right on the beach. You can literally see the ocean right here. Such a great spot. I didn't want to leave here all day. I walked here last night at sunset, and I knew this was a spot I wanted to come back to, so I came back to it. And yeah, literally been here for 3 meals a day. I better go pay my bill, or they're gonna get upset at me. But yeah, what a great spot. Everyone is sitting, as you guys saw in that time-lapse video, everybody's sitting out in beanbag chairs, candles lit, and this is right on Echo Beach, so right in the Pernan area of Canggu at Bali, and just, it's where everybody hangs out. And I kind of discovered that last night when I walked through. What an awesome spot to be. Like, this is the happening place, so I knew I wanted to come back here for sure. So here we are. I was here all day, came back for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and sunset, and just an awesome spot. So I'll probably end the vlog here. I'll show you guys maybe a travel sequence heading back to my villa in my Brewshack scooter. But yeah, that's basically a day sitting here at the Surfers Bar in Echo Beach. 3 meals a day, and didn't want to leave. It was so good. So catch you guys in the next video. You want to say hi to YouTube?
I'm in the vlog.
He's in the vlog.
Bali life.
Bali life. Bali life. Bali top right here, left. Yeah. Just turn left here. Yeah. Sorry. And that's a wrap on an awesome day on the beach. I was there for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Met the locals that work there. Absolutely awesome people. And I highly recommend you go to that place, which I'll link in the description below, right here on the screen as well. There's so many restaurants along that same strip, but this one is really good. And yeah, I literally spent the full day there, watching the surfers, watching people walk the beach. I did some work as well. Great meals, and yeah, just awesome staff that work there as well. So highly recommend you check it out. And yeah, catch you guys in the next video. I stayed connected across Indonesia with an unlimited data eSIM from Totally Untethered. They're affordable, activate instantly, and no more paying for expensive top-ups. Get yours at totallyuntethered.com.